Young Brilliance will take center stage this weekend as Next Step Lifelong Educational Services hosts its annual Little Genius Show. Set for May 18th, the event is all about inspiring and equipping young minds for the future. Founder Tishona Mullings shares what's in store for this year's showcase.
So it's Child's Month, and it's my favorite time of the year because this is when the Little Genius Initiative hosts its culminating show. It's going to be on the 18th of May this year at UTech at 4 o'clock. And this sees young Jamaicans at the primary level between 8 and 11 years old, and they are executing a parliamentary debate. It's really a critical thinking and public speaking competition that I've been doing since the year 2013 out of my passion to see young people develop their confidence. Growing up, I struggled with esteem issues, and I found my voice through the art of public speaking. And this is why my project, my I Believe project as an ambassador for the Governor General Program of Excellence is the Little Genius competition under the patronage of His Excellency Sir Patrick Allen. It's held every single year during Child's Month. What you'll see on the night of the show is an opening number with all 10 contestants from primary schools all over Jamaica. They each do a 30-second to 1-minute introduction of themselves. They do a talent piece that demonstrates their creativity, encouraging them to explore being an intellectual beyond just the books, but exploring their fullest creativity. And finally, and the most important part of the show, is a simulation of a parliamentary debate. The top 5 is then selected, and they do a critical thinking on-stage interview. There is nothing like it locally. It reminds me every single time of Steve Harvey's Little Big Shot. And just like I'm inspired by that show, I'm inspired by the big dreams that they have. And this year, we're under the theme, STEAM-Powered Dreams. I encourage every young Jamaican to come out. Every Jamaican, as a matter of fact, is a family affair. To come and see the Little Geniuses, speak about your STEAM-Powered dreams and how we can apply science, technology, engineering, the arts, and maths to transform Jamaica.